name is Hayden Russell. Today I will be talking to you about how to prepare yourself for a cow show. Come on, follow me to my trailer. So, here we are. And first, you will need a rope to catch your cow. You will need a show halter for when you go into the show ring. And you will also need a show stick. My chute is the heaviest thing in my trailer, so I'm going to unload it first. And when I wash my cow, for black cows, I use Mane. And for Charolais cows, I use whitening shampoo. And I use this brush the most because it is easier. You can just fit it on your hand and put the soap on, and you don't go in circles and wash your cow. Or you can also use this. It does the same way. And for my cow, I use the back for a squeegee. You take it from the top all the way down to the bottom. And then I brush it from the bottom up, like a curve. And after I blow my cow, which is in my tack room that I'm fixing to use. After that, you use Flare to make your cow shinier. And before you go into the show ring, you might want to remember you can use baby wipes or tissues to clean out your cow's ear. My water, I use well water from my house because show water is city water and it has a lot of alcohol and chlorine and stuff in it. So I use well water from my house and bring it to my show. If you can't bring your own water to your show, here's some other products that you could use. You can use Fjord, and you can use this. It's a water filter, and you can just connect it to your water hose. And for the feed, you can mix up your feed, and you also have to give your cow hay. You give your cow hay for them to eat, and then you dump your feed from your bucket into your feed pan. And then you can also bed your spot in your trailer at the show with shavings. That's how you prepare yourself for a cow show.